Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate YouTube Kids on Apple TV. Quick guide step by step clearly. To activate YouTube Kids on your Apple TV, start by turning on your Apple TV. Navigate to the App Store from the home screen. In the App Store, use the search function to find YouTube Kids. Once you locate the YouTube Kids app, select it to open the apps page. Click on the Get button to download and install the app on your device. Wait for the installation to complete before proceeding. After the installation, open the YouTube Kids app from your home screen. You will be prompted to select your child's profile or create a new one. To create a new profile, follow the on-screen instructions to enter your child's name and age. Choose the appropriate content settings based on your child's age. Once the profile is set up, review and accept the terms of use. You may be asked to set up a parental passcode for added security. Enter the passcode when prompted and confirm it for accuracy. After setting up your passcode, you will gain access to the main YouTube Kids interface. From here, you can customize settings and explore different content categories. Now your child can enjoy YouTube Kids securely on your Apple TV. Remember to periodically review and adjust settings as necessary. This concludes your guide to activating YouTube Kids on Apple TV. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.